Hi, I'm Neil O'Loughlin, CTO at Flexitricity. If you're exploring FlexGO for your business, one of the first things to consider is how to connect your site to our control room and our market access platform. There are different options depending on the type, size, and complexity of your site. The main thing to remember is that FlexGO is flexible. We find the right option for your site. Let's start with the API connection. This is a one-to-many software-based solution. There's no new hardware involved. It works with smart meters embedded in your assets or existing site-wide meters. This method is ideal for third-party platform providers, such as EV charge point operators, equipment manufacturers, or energy management systems that can send monitoring data and receive control signals via our FlexGO API endpoint. The FlexGO device is an interface and metering device we provide. It's perfect for businesses with low voltage assets, things like refrigeration, water pumping and water treatment, or small-scale manufacturing. Your own technicians can install the box using our easy step-by-step guide. For larger or more complex sites, we offer a FlexGO Outstation solution. This is a bespoke setup that may include an outstation device, an API, or both, depending on what the site requires. It's designed for high-capacity sites, including medium voltage connected assets, around 11 kV and above, behind-the-meter battery storage, CHPs, and some larger manufacturing operations. The Outstation supports a broader set of signals tailored to your site's control needs. Our engineering team works closely with you on technical scope and a full system build. We'll work with you to identify the right connection method that fits your operation seamlessly. To get started, visit flexgo.energy and use the FlexGO Navigator.